Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have completed the circle passes through point 1, 2, and 3. After that, we have seen secant and tangent, and last theorem was tangent theorem, and last theorem was tangent segment theorem. Now we are going to see touching circles. In that, activity number 1. Take 3 collinear points x, y, z as shown in the figure. Then draw a circle with center x and radius xy. Now draw another circle with center z and radius yz. Note that both the circles intersect each other at a single point, that is y. Now draw a line through point y and perpendicular to segment xz. Note that this line is a common tangent of the two circles. Activity number 2. Take points y, x, z as shown in the figure. Draw circles with center z and radius zy. Also draw a circle with center x and radius xy. Note that both the circles intersect each other at a point y. Then draw a line perpendicular to segment yz through point y, that is common tangent for the circle. Now touching circle. You can see two circles. First is the circles touching externally, and second is the circles touching internally. If two circles in the same plane intersects with a line in the plane is only one point, they are said to be touching circles and the line is their common tangent. The point common to the circles and the line is called their common point of contact. Circles can touch each other internally or circles can touch each other externally. In first figure, the circles with center O and P touch each other externally at point T. Line L is the common tangent at point T. The circles with center O and P touch each other internally at point T. Line L is the common tangent at point T. Remember this, when circles touch each other externally, the center lie on the opposite side of the common tangent. Whereas when circles touch each other internally, the center lie on the same side of the common tangent. Now let's see theorem of touching circle. If two circles touch each other, their point of contact lies on the line joining their centers. That means we have to prove that the point of contact lie in that line only. So given is two circles with center O and P touch each other at point T. To prove that point T lies on line OP, construction, draw segment OT, seg PT and common tangent L at point T. Proof: segment OT is perpendicular to line L. Segment PT is also perpendicular to line L by tangent theorem. Therefore, segment OT and segment PT are perpendicular to line L at point T. As one and only one perpendicular can be drawn at a given point on line, therefore lines OT and PT are not two different lines. Therefore, they are one and the same. Therefore, point OT and P are collinear. Therefore, point T lies on the line OP. Hence, proved. So, your homework is you have to solve this theorem and also try to solve practice set number 3.2. Thank you.